Saki here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about work bags, but specifically bags for work that aren't tote bags. I actually got suggested this video from Instagram by two people, Jessica Montoya and Keiko Gemo. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but thank you to them for suggesting this video because I think it is a great idea, and I do think that this video is something that'll be useful to a lot of people because not all of us love tote bags, even though you guys know I am a tote girl. I love my Neverfull so much, and I do use that one for work all the time, but I have found a lot of ideas for you guys if you aren't a fan of tote bags. So if you're interested to see what I have picked, please continue to watch, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Saki. I make videos twice a week all about luxury and handbags, and I also do things like monthly giveaways, so there is plenty to do and see here, and I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button down below and join my channel. Alright, so I think the idea for this video, for me at least, started when I unboxed one of these bags on my channel, and I'm pretty sure that's where I got the first comment to do this. And the bag that I'm talking about is my Gucci Marmot bag. So I did buy this to be a work bag, and the reason why is actually because I was tired of using a tote bag for work. I wanted to kind of like switch things up, and the problematic thing with like tote bags is that they're so large that I feel like, you know, even if you don't want to carry a lot of stuff, you end up putting a lot of stuff in there anyway, just because you can and just because there is a lot of space. However, I feel like with something like this, it's big enough to where you can put everything that you need, but it does still restrict the amount of items that you have, so you only bring the essentials with you, which sometimes I kind of need. So this Gucci Marmont, I'm actually using it right now for work, so I have all of my stuff in here. Let me actually show you guys what is essential for me to carry to work, so that can kind of give you like a frame of reference to how I've chosen these bags. So the first thing that I need with me for sure is some sort of laptop or iPad. So I have my MacBook Pro here, but it is pretty heavy, so I actually don't even bring this to work very often. Lately I've been opting for my iPad Pro. I actually also do have a keyboard case for this, so I can even use it as a laptop if I wanted to. And then on days where I'm like super minimal and I really don't want to carry something large, I do have my mini iPad here as well, and this also has a keyboard case that I use where, like I said with my other iPad, I can turn it into a very tiny little laptop. So basically I have to be able to carry one of these three devices in my bag to even consider using as a work bag. Now the second thing is my little Neverfull pouch right here. I have a lot of my essential like work stuff. So I have like my checkbooks and a couple of bills and also some cash that I keep in here for work. I also have like receipts that I need to catch up on and stuff. So yeah, this is definitely essential for me. And then I guess other than that, I probably just need to carry like my other purse essentials. So that's probably going to be like the little pouch that I'm using as my catch-all, my card case, and then my cell phone, and then whatever else that I do have in my purse that day, but those are usually like the really small items, so I don't consider that to be like a huge top priority, because I figure if it can already carry like one of my, you know, laptop devices, it can probably carry all of this little stuff too. So for my Gucci Marmont, I actually carry my iPad Pro in here, and it fits in literally just perfectly like that. And then I can also carry my little pouch in here as well. And then of course all of my other purse essentials fit in really nicely. There isn't like a whole lot of room for that pouch stuff, but those are all just like items that I can carry loosely in here, like, you know, lipsticks, oil blotting sheets, stuff like that. So yeah, basically this bag can carry a lot because it is very large, and I don't know if I said this, but it is in the large size. And yeah, as you can see, even with my iPad Pro in there, it fits really nicely and it can close all the way. So I definitely feel like this is a great alternative work bag if you guys are like me and don't carry that much to work. Even if you need to carry like a notepad or something, you can definitely stick it in here. I mean, I haven't even really stuffed it all the way, so you can definitely carry more things in here with you. Alright, the second bag that I have that I would like to recommend to you guys is actually my Louis Vuitton Speedy. So I have used this as a work bag before. I actually used to be able to carry my laptop in here because I had the MacBook 12-inch instead of the 13-inch MacBook Pro, so there is a bit of of a size difference between those two models. So if you do have the standard MacBook 12-inch, you can carry it in here, but the 13-inch MacBook Pro or anything bigger will not fit in here. However, I definitely can carry my iPad and a ton more stuff. So this is like one of those bags for like, you don't want to carry a tote bag, but you maybe don't want to be as restrictive as something like the Gucci Marmot bag, and you still want to be able to carry a lot of like your loose items and, you know, other stuff that you might need. I think that this is great. I also think that the Speedy is really good for something that's like a work to evening bag. I know that this isn't like the smallest bag or anything, but I do believe that it still looks really great in the evening if you're like going out to dinner or something. The Gucci bag as well, I feel like that's actually one of the reasons why I would want to carry a non-tote bag to work. Like any of these bags that I'm mentioning, I think will be really great if you like are looking for something to carry to work all day, but then you also have like a function in the evening, whether it's like, you know, drinks with your coworkers, or you're like going out on a date that night or something, and you don't have time to like go home and change your bag or whatever. All of the bags that I'm recommending I think will be great for both scenarios. I mean, obviously you could carry a tote bag to those functions as well, but I just feel like it's not as comfortable to carry like a huge tote bag to a bar or a restaurant versus something like these. So yeah, I definitely think that the Speedy 30 is great for that. Maybe even the Speedy 25 would be really good if you know, only need something like a mini iPad, or maybe if you don't even need to carry a tablet or, you know, a laptop to work. I think the Speedy 25 is a great size, and it is definitely one of those bags where you can carry like a lot of stuff in the daytime and it still looks really, really cute and elegant in the evening. But personally for me, I would go for the Speedy 30 because I do need to carry a little bit more stuff with me during the daytime. Alright, the next bags that I'm going to recommend are kind of cheating a little bit because I think that these are considered tote bags, but they are these kinds of tote bags, not like the Never Full, not like anything open like this is. I think that these kinds of totes are like my favorite in terms of bags to carry to work because they can carry so much. I have this Kate Spade, I think it's called the Toujours bag. It comes in a lot of different colors. I actually do think that this pink color is discontinued, but they do have so many beautiful colors. I will link some of them down below for you guys, but this is one of my favorite bags for work because it is very large in terms of like how much you can carry. I can definitely stick my laptop in here. Hell, I can probably carry all 3 devices in here if I needed to. Plus, you can fit a lot more, and the best thing about it is that it expands as well. So if you just unhook the front right here, it can expand a little bit like that. Like the bag becomes like a lot bigger. So you could probably even carry like a spare change of clothes in here or something if you did want to change into like a different outfit or something for the evening. So I definitely just really love this bag, and this bag I know isn't like luxury or whatever, but I still think it's really great quality. Now with the Givenchy antigona, I've talked about this so many times on my channel, but I do really love this one for work. It is a little bit restrictive, especially compared to that Kate Spade one that I just showed you, because the zipper or the opening is a little bit smaller, but I still can fit my 12-inch laptop in here. I can't fit my 13th inch anymore, I believe, but let me try. I mean, I can fit it in like this, but I think, yeah, it's a little bit too big to fit in on the side. But like I said, my 12-inch one did fit in here pretty nicely. And of course, I can fit my iPad Pro in here. It fits really nicely. And because it is a huge bag, it can also fit a lot of other essentials as well. This one is in the small size. So I am very petite. I think that the small size works the best on me. The medium size just looks like it could drown me. So if you are, you know, taller or whatever, and you do prefer the medium size, that one's even better because it can hold even more. But I do still think that the small size makes a great work bag, and it looks so chic and stylish when you're carrying it to work. Plus, if you do decide to go out afterwards, I think it looks really chic and stylish then too. A couple of other bags that I wanted to mention that I actually don't have that are similar to these two bags are the YSL Saki toujours. I think that that one is really great. I actually used to have it, but the only thing that I will warn you guys about is that that bag is very heavy. So although it has like a really similar design to this one, it is a lot heavier and the sides are a little bit more restrictive, even though it can't expand like this one. So just keep that in mind if you are looking at that bag. Alright, and there is one more bag that I found that I really want that I haven't had a chance to get my hands on, but I will tell you guys about it anyway because I do really think that it fits with this theme, and that bag is the Senreve Maestra bag. So I think that the regular Maestra bag, not the mini one, but the one that is just the standard one, makes a great work bag. I mean, Obviously, like I said, I don't own it, but I've seen so many videos of people who do have it and who love it. The thing that's really, really cool about that bag is that you can use it in so many different ways. So obviously it does have like a long strap for you to use on your shoulder, but then you can also adjust the straps to make it a backpack as well, which I think is really, really unique, especially for a work bag. Plus, I just think that that bag looks really, really nice. It's got such a cool sleek design, and I do love the fact that you can use it both as a shoulder bag, a crossbody bag, and a backpack. And with that size that I'm talking about, the standard size, it looks like it can hold a lot. Definitely a laptop, maybe depending on like the size of your laptop, plus a lot of other items as well. I've seen so many YouTubers review this bag. I really want to get one. I'm just waiting. I've emailed them to see if we can do some sort of sponsorship or something, but I definitely think that these bags are great and I would definitely buy one with my own money. It just hasn't been on like the top of my priorities or whatever, but I do really think that it would make a great work bag as a non-tote alternative. Alright, so that was all for my video. What did you guys think? If you have any other recommendations, please leave them down in the comment section down below. I would really love to hear your choices as well. And speaking of non-tote work bags, I wanted to talk about April's giveaway before I go. So this is a bag from Ecosusi that I am giving away for the month of April. I actually think that this bag would make a really great non-tote work bag. It has a really simple and stylish design, and I think you guys would really love this bag if you've used it. So if you do want to win this bag, please leave this emoji in the comment section down below. You can comment in as many videos as you like in the month of April, so I think that this video would probably be the last video that you can comment on to enter. I will be picking a winner at the end of the month. Please also leave your Instagram username in the comment if it is different than your YouTube username. You also do have to be subscribed to me here on YouTube and following me on Instagram to enter. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any other recommendations for me for videos, please feel free to leave them in the comment section or message me or comment on my Instagram. I do really love your suggestions, and if I can do a video for you guys, I definitely will. And thank you again to the 2 people who suggested this video to me. And yeah, I guess with that, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours.